Feeding amongst these pine saplings, Tethys hadros. Just a quarter the size of its giant cousins on the mainland, it stands no taller than a human being. With its unique serrated bill, it can forage among the tough vegetation. Hunters like T-Rex have never reached this little island, so it should be a safe place for a mother to raise her brood. But not necessarily. Hatzegopteryx, giant predatory pterosaurs. The best chance of escape is beneath the canopy of the taller trees. These small calves have been left behind among the saplings. Mother and young are separated. Hatzegopteryx are very intelligent pterosaurs. Now that the element of surprise has gone, they change tactics. Spreading out across the clearing, they try to flush out any prey that might still be there. The youngster's best hope is to stay completely still and not to run. These two are lucky to be back with their mother. The island-hopping pterosaurs move on to try their luck elsewhere. The hadrosaurs can return to feeding.